Hey guys, what's going on? Jeremy here, back with another video. Get comfortable here. So something is going on with the Camaro. Kind of trying to figure out what it is. At first I thought it might have been an axle going bad, but after lifting up the car, it's kind of questionable. So I'm going to make this video pretty short. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put two clips in here. Basically, with the car out in the driveway, I jacked it up at the rear end just to kind of spin the wheels and see what was going on. There's definitely some play somewhere. At first I was thinking three things: the drive shaft, the axle, or the rear end. Now, I'm not really 100% which one it is. I've basically eliminated it being an axle issue. Drive shaft possibly, but everything looks good there. I had JJ come over last night too and kind of check it out and get a second opinion. But what we're thinking is it's got to be in the rear end. Now, before I post the clips on here, I'll just go ahead and say the car drives awesome. It drives fine. You can shift through the gears and it shifts like butter. Everything is perfect. Other than the noise, obviously. The car is so loud it's kind of hard to know when it's happening, but it's really the most pronounced at about 4th, 5th, and 6th gear. Mostly 5th. If I let off the throttle, and this is just at cruising speeds, if I let off the throttle and just kind of tap the gas real quick, there's a more of a pop. I'd call it a clunk, but there's a clunking noise coming from the back of the car. Almost kind of sounds like a little bit of backlash. Like I said, not 100% sure. I've never ran into this issue. Normally when I break an axle, it just completely breaks. I'm hoping, honestly, it's an axle, but ain't no telling really. Also, this really didn't happen long after I got the gears installed. I didn't have a problem driving it. No gear winding, no moaning, definitely no clunking. And this really just came up out of the blue. I did a small pull and got a little bit of wheel hop. I mean, just a little. And man, there ain't no telling what did it, but that's kind of when I noticed it, was after that. And it was probably a couple hours after that. But I got in my car, drove home, and then, doing highway speeds and, started hearing that clunk noise. So definitely concerning, but I'm not gonna spend the whole video talking about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and post the clips right here. Let me know what you guys think. Man, I don't know. But also I want to apologize. It's kind of been a while since I posted. Still trying to stay on track once a week, so we are doing pretty good so far. I've definitely got a couple of more things I'm going to be posting soon. I just kind of got to have the time to put everything together and upload it to YouTube. So anyways guys, here it is. Let me know what you think. As always, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.